Today, we will talk about the subject of understanding application-specific integrated circuit (ASIC) miners. An application-specific integrated circuit is an integrated circuit chip designed for a specific purpose. An ASIC miner is a computerized device that uses ASICs for the sole purpose of mining digital currency. Generally, each ASIC miner is constructed to mine a specific digital currency. So, a Bitcoin ASIC miner can mine only Bitcoin. One way to think about Bitcoin ASICs is as specialized Bitcoin mining computers optimized to solve the mining algorithm. Instead of being general-purpose integrated circuits, like RAM chips or PC or mobile device microprocessors, ASICs employed in cryptocurrency mining are specific integrated circuits designed solely to mine cryptocurrencies. Initially, Bitcoin's creator intended for Bitcoin to be mined on central processing units, CPUs, of commonly used laptops or desktop computers. However, Bitcoin ASICs surpassed both CPUs and graphics processing units, GPUs, because of their reduced electricity consumption and greater computing capacity. After gaining traction in mid-2013, when other hardware mining devices started hitting bottlenecks in their mining, Bitcoin ASIC miners increased and retained their lead. A hash is a long hexadecimal number used to identify blocks in a blockchain, called the block header hash or block hash. To mine a block, miners begin adding values to a hash to generate new ones until a number less than the target difficulty, original hash, is reached. This is called hashing. The more hashes that can be performed in a set period, the more likely a miner is to earn Bitcoin. ASIC miners are optimized to compute hash functions efficiently and quickly. Although mining cryptocurrencies can be an expensive proposition of declining profitability, many people are drawn to it. Despite the uncertain return on investment, would-be cryptocurrency miners are willing to incur high upfront expenses for pricey ASICs and pay significant ongoing costs for electricity in return for the prospect of earning cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency mining is required by a proof-of-work blockchain like Bitcoin to carry out its operations. The mining process involves solving a block's hash by randomly generating numbers until reaching a number below the target difficulty number. The first miner to find the solution to the puzzle closes the block. Each winner in the Bitcoin mining competition receives a reward, a specific amount of Bitcoin, along with the transaction fees for the transactions in that block. In Bitcoin's early days, any computer with adequate processing power could mine Bitcoin. However, those days are long gone. Bitcoin's soaring popularity and growing acceptance have attracted hordes of crypto miners. At the same time, cryptocurrency mining has become exponentially more difficult because the mining difficulty changes as miners enter and exit the network. Over time, the number of miners has constantly grown, which increased the difficulty. These developments led to the creation of ASIC miners as a result of the quest for more hashing power. Modern Bitcoin ASICs can hash at more than 150 terahashes per second, 9 zeros, or 150 by 1012 hashes per second. ASIC devices were popularized by Bitmain, headquartered in China, which dominates ASIC Bitcoin mining activities through its Antminer ASIC product range. Though GPU and CPU mining rigs rely on components that have more than one function, ASIC miners are designed for the sole purpose of mining cryptocurrency. This singular focus makes an ASIC miner much more powerful and energy efficient than a comparable GPU miner. Because each cryptocurrency has its own cryptographic hash algorithm, an ASIC miner is designed to mine using that specific algorithm. For example, Bitcoin ASIC miners are designed to hash the SHA-256 algorithm, while Litecoin uses SERYPT, pronounced ESCrypt. Though this means that an ASIC miner could technically mine any other cryptocurrency based on the same algorithm, most miners who invest in ASIC hardware designed to mine Bitcoin or Litecoin stick to mining that specific cryptocurrency. Before investing thousands of dollars in an ASIC mining rig, here are some factors to be considered. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of solving for the two-digit encrypted number contained in a block's hash called the nonce. A miner adds values to a block's hash trying to generate a number less than the difficulty target. When it is solved, the hash is solved, and the block is validated. The validator receives a reward. What is the difference between ASIC mining and GPU mining? ASIC mining machines are developed for mining a specific cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Litecoin. GPU mining involves using a graphics processing unit, GPU, such as those sold by NVIDIA or AMD for mining. GPUs are significantly cheaper than the equipment required for ASIC mining. However, they are slower and much less efficient for mining cryptocurrencies than ASIC miners. What are ASIC-resistant coins? ASIC-resistant coins are cryptocurrencies with ASIC-resistant algorithms. Mining these cryptocurrencies with ASIC mining equipment is virtually impossible. Even if one tries to do so, the returns would be limited. The primary rationale for ASIC-resistant coins is to preserve the decentralization of their blockchains, which was one of the core principles behind creating Bitcoin. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. An application-specific integrated circuit, ASIC, miner is a computerized device that uses ASICs for the sole purpose of mining Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. 2. An application-specific integrated circuit, ASIC, is generally optimized to compute just a single function or set of related functions. 3. Bitcoin miners review and verify previous Bitcoin transactions and create new blocks to add the data to the blockchain. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.